A few months ago, I had a presentation, and in between the presentation, the PPT's lights were going off.
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, and today I want to remind you of the fact that I've been speaking about for the last few weeks since the last Confident Speaker Conference, and that fact is that you need commitment to become a great speaker. And I'm not talking about the commitment that you have generally when things are easy, but commitment when things are not easy. You see, great speakers and great leaders always have commitment to their speeches and presentations. It's not about just duties, man, it's about commitment. So let me give you an example. A few months ago, I had a presentation, and in between the presentation, the PPT's lights were going off. And the mic, that I was wearing, it was not working perfectly, which was actually not my fault. And I took responsibility for that, but it was not my fault. And in between it, there was a problem. Now, generally, 99% of the time, people will say, a speaker at my stage will say, oh, the mic is not working, the PPT is not working, so we need to just take a pause before, this, that, or it's not my fault that I'm speaking to so many people that I'm not able to impact, so, we'll do it some other time. But not me, not me. I have commitment to my speech, I have commitment to my client. So in the middle of my speech, I kid you not, maybe you can watch some previous YouTube video to find the clip. In the middle of my speech, when the mic was not working, I was wearing a head mic, kind of like, it's like wired up and then it comes from here till here. I took it off and I threw it on the stage and I said, guys, I don't need this average mic anymore. I'm here committed to you. And I got up from the stage and I said, I'm committed to you because I want you to understand that I'm here for you. And a mic, I don't want that to be a distraction, because here we have connection, okay? How many of you believe that? Everybody raised their hand and said, you know what, in fact, there is a lesson for you as well, that don't accept mediocrity. When mediocrity is there, throw it away. Whether it's a mic, whether it's people, whether it's something else, throw it away, because I'm committed to you. How many of you are committed to yourself? People raised their hands. And I said, you know what, guys, that's what you need. So I made use of that one challenge that I was having, a setback, and I turned it into a comeback. What about you? Are you committed to your speech so much that if the mic is not working, if the PPT is not working, if the phone goes off in the middle of the presentation, can you make a comeback? You can only make a comeback when you have commitment. Of course, there are methods, there are techniques, there are tools, there are tips. We give you all of that in the Confident Speaker Conference, in our mastermind programs. But if you don't have commitment, you can't make use of it. So I encourage you, I challenge you, I dare you to ask yourself, how committed am I to my presentation? How committed am I to my words? How committed am I to my voice? How committed am I to my breathing? How committed am I to my body language? How committed am I to my eye connection? How committed am I to my audience? How committed am I to my people? And more importantly, how committed am I to myself? The answer may shock you or even surprise you, but you're gonna only know when you ask yourself that question. So commitment, guys, you need commitment, because great speakers and great leaders are always committed to their speeches and presentations. That's my tip for you right now. Bishal Sarkar here. Always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection, it's all about connection.
I'm a man on a mission.